Hey folks, today we're going to be unboxing and putting together and reviewing this product. It's called, let me show you, by Saker. It's a mini electric chainsaw. And our hope is that we can use this once we have some fruit trees. We can use it for pruning, but initially we're gonna try it out on some of the pine trees, just limbing them up that we have on the property.
Alrighty, charger.
Okay. Bottle of, is that probably bar oil?
It seems kind of thin, but maybe that.
Pieces.
It's the battery.
Okay, so it's got a little battery. It's 20 volt, as you can see.
Screwdriver and all.
Oh, little screwdriver. Wow, they send you the tools. And some instructions are always helpful.
Instructions. That's it. And the little chain is
Well, it comes all put together.
Yeah, I thought you'd have
That's
to put it
nice.
together.
Yeah, that's nice.
Wow, this thing's got a charge in it. Let's see if it'll.
And whoa. I wasn't expecting that.
Got a safety, so.
Oh, so you gotta push that in.
Yeah.
Here, what you're doing.
Safety.
Okay.
There we go. Pretty good. Alright, let's charge the batteries up now.
Yeah, usually things aren't charged all the way, so we're gonna charge it up before we really try it out.
Get a lube up the chain here.
So they give us a little bar oil.
They say to use vegetable oil if you're cutting fruit trees or anything like that. If I can get the lube back on here. I'll probably not put that in my wallet. There you go.
Okay, so we're gonna start on something smaller first. See how it does. It's a pine tree. Hold on, I can't see you. Let me move around. Oh, perfect. Here. Oh, that was fast. Nice.
Looks pretty good.
So what would you say the diameter of those?
Oh, they're an inch.
Okay.
These are probably only about
Inch wide.
the
And
bigger
the
ones are like an inch.
what we read on the the
Can go up to
material
4 inches.
4 inches. Okay.
Yeah. Let's just cut this one down.
The whole thing.
Things need to be thinned anyway.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, works pretty good. It's kind of a trick little unit.
Well, that's nice to have it battery operated.
Yeah. Cut something that big, pretty quick and simple.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty
Nice.
cool.
Yeah.
Have a nice little. Doesn't seem to have any problem cutting right through this stuff.
We gotta strategically figure out what trees we wanna, because some of these they're all wild, so they've grown
There's
a little close together.
There's too many in here, so I need to thin them out.
Mm-hmm.
But this works good. I wouldn't probably use this to do all of those, but I mean maybe. But I mean for pruning just some, you know, your branches off and stuff, it's perfect. It doesn't weigh hardly anything. So
Nice and
anyway,
light. Yeah.
it's kind of cool.
Hey. So this turned out to be a pretty good little unit. Definitely a lot easier than getting out your big chainsaw just to do small jobs. And, you know, the battery lasted, hasn't run out yet, so we'll see how long it goes. But so far we were able to do a lot of little cleanup on our pine trees. And even some, you know, fairly good size. So again, it says it does up to 4 inches in diameter. So I think it's a good tool. I will put some links below where you can check it out. And thanks for coming along today.